parents tell if their child is struggling with airway issues, and what are some signs they should be looking for?
So there's a couple of signs and symptoms that we want to make sure that parents are observing. Signs like snoring and grinding, open mouth breathing posture when they're sleeping or even at rest. Some behavioral issues can include ADHD or just a decline in grades, restlessness, even sleeping during class. Also, seasonal allergies or a lot of congestion. These are red flags that there could be an airway issue.